Hi guys, David here again from Reviews for Dummies. Today I'm going to be reviewing Pocket Profits. Pocket Profits is a product developed by a plumber who has had great success using Instagram ads. So he goes through a full training on how you can make money using Instagram. The Dummies also have put through together a great lot of bonuses for you. So when you click on the link below, you'll go through to our bonus page. And this is our bonus page. Bearing in mind these bonuses disappear on Tuesday the 17th at midnight. So you have just over 2 days to get hold of these free bonuses when you purchase Pocket Profits. Just to run through the bonuses. Bonus number 1 is a tutorial on how to write headlines that sell. So when you're doing your ads or doing your promotions using Instagram, they're professional written headlines that will catch attention. Bonus number 2 is how to be an online entrepreneur. So this is a training series that goes through all the steps on having the right mindset and getting everything all your ducks in a row, so to speak, to become successful on the internet. Bonus number 3 is how to use Instagram influencers. So there's people on Instagram that do comments and all of those sort of things, and follow and message, and it's how to get to follow them and get them to follow you so that you can boost your traffic to your offers. Bonus number 4 is only for the first 12 hours, and then this one will go. It's a software program called Nova, and all the upsells that are included with that as well. And this is a great bonus for someone starting out in affiliate marketing. And then of course bonus number 5 is all the vendor bonuses that are offered with Pocket Profits. So just to give you a bit of an idea, when you click the link below, it'll take you to the Pocket Profits sales page. So basically this is the sales page and what it's about. So it's completely beginner friendly. It's backed by a real Instagram master who knows what he's doing. It's an all-in-one solution, unlimited buyer traffic, takes just seconds, and of course comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So the usual sales page. He goes through. This is Philip. Philip was, as he said, he was stuck in a crappy job as a plumber, and wanted to find a better way out. He goes through a few of the videos there, a few video testimonials. Click on any of these links, and that'll take us straight through to the page where you can pick up this product and all the bonuses. Usual thing, so you can go through that when you click on the link below this video. So just to have a look inside, this is the dashboard. Once you purchase, this is the dashboard, so you get a bit of a welcome here that Phil goes through, how he made 43,000 in 7 days. Sorry, this is Dan, not Phil. Phil was a co-creator as well. Dan is the plumber. Then a bit of housekeeping, very important stuff. Then it goes into the main training. So it's basically an overview on the proof, how to create an Instagram account, making a logo for your account, how to copy other people, see what the others are doing and go along with that. A full training bit on hashtags and how to post. And then of course you've got the upgrades if you purchase the upgrades. Actually, if you have a look up here, you've got your 10 time traffic, you've got it done for you system, the automation, the reseller rights, etc. So a couple of unannounced bonuses. Okay, he's added some bonuses here. So there's a free case study and how to make 500 from free YouTube videos. So that's basically the without going into each of the training courses. The videos are quite well put together. So you can, if we just have a look here, there isn't one of the videos back here. I think maybe a testimonials. Yeah, this is just a bit of this isn't a real demo or anything like that, but basically it's just a matter of, it's all about Instagram. If you're looking to get traffic and build your list through Instagram followers, it's a great opportunity to do that. So click on any of the links below. You get, as I say, you get the 4 bonuses from the dummies. You get the extra bonuses from the vendors. That's probably what I didn't show you. I'll just go back. Let me just go back here. I'll show you my screen here for, I should show you the price, which might help. So basically the front end is only $12.95, and then there's the upsells, which I showed you the links to in the dashboard, which is your 10-time traffic hacks. They're the exact hashtags that Phil uses to drive traffic, so you get results in much less time. And then upsell number 2 for $37 with a 27 downsell is all done for you, where they will give you 30 of their top posts that have had at least 100,000 views. Upsell number 3 is the 10,000 a month automation. So they're the exact campaigns with the funnels, with the email swipes, and you should get the exact same results. Now the reseller rights are $97. That's upsell number 4. Upsell number 5 is 10,000 buyers in 24 hours. Philip shows you how to get 10,000 buyers in 24 hours with a secret hack that not many people know about. Upsell number 6, $97. Phil gives you the exact source on how he basically set up his Instagram and lets it run on autopilot. So while you're asleep, it does it all for you. Upsell number 7, $67, 152,000 views in 48 seconds. And this upgrade shows you how you can duplicate 3 times to give you 30 times more results in less than 60 seconds, all with 100,000 views. 100,000 views in seconds. So as I said before, it's beginner friendly. It's backed by a real Instagram master. It's an all-in-one solution, and it just takes seconds. So depending on what level you are at and where you want to get to, whether you want a done for you section, you have the opportunity to buy in at that level. So thank you for watching this video. Click on the link below, subscribe to the Dummies channel, and that will give you notification if you click the bell. As soon as we do any new videos, you'll be the first to see them, which gets you in early to take advantage of the free bonuses. That the bonuses aren't just something we throw in. They're always something that enhance and complement the product that we're reviewing. In this case, it's Pocket Profits. So as you saw, the bonuses are around Instagram and how you can drive better traffic with Instagram. So like the video, click subscribe, click on the link below, which will take you to the bonus page, have a look again, have a look at the demos, and take it from there. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.